Hi, hello, welcome to We Can Learn with Afsha. So, this is a sort of a debut podcasting that I'm trying to do here. I have named it as Only Kadak Chai with Afsha, though the chai may not be kadak, but the conversation would be. Yeah. So, I'm sitting here with one of my very closest friend, Ritama Basak, and a very closest friend of mine, very beautiful person, very intellectual that way. Ritama and I are friends since our MPhil days, and right now she's doing her doctorate at Brown University, woohoo, at US, and now she's here for her fieldwork. And just like every year, we are united for our love over Delhi. So, congratulations, Ritama.
Thank you.
A very warm welcome. आपका
Thank
इस्तकबाल
you.
करती हूँ मैं अपने अकाउंट पे. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
Thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Afsha is an amazing person, and this project is particularly useful for anyone who loves art, history, academia,
of course.
reading. She has been doing great work for some time now, and I'm so happy to be your first guest on this podcast project at We Can Learn with Afsha. So please follow if you haven't already. She's amazing, and she's also a doctoral student at Jamia, and
Yeah.
today we went to her campus, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm just reliving my old Delhi days, and it's so amazing to see you.
So I don't even remember when I said it कि जब हमें कुछ अपना काम होगा तब हम जामिया
तब हम
जाएंगे ना.
जाएंगे.
And I don't realize this time we're sitting here. It's like after a year, I am in Jamia, PhD. She's at US. She's here, and this dream just came true.
और आज हम काम से जामिया गए.
और आज हम काम से जामिया गए. तो it's like you say something positive and you never know when the Lord say kun to it. So just like kun fire kun. Be and it is, and it happened. So Ritama, like you being in Delhi here in August, how are you feeling right now?
Absolutely fantastic. I think Delhi just rejuvenates me in ways that I don't even expect. I came here to primarily get my field work done, but then I was going through a phase when I was not being able to read anything, not being able to pay attention or write. But now that I'm in Delhi, I'm seeing old friends, I'm seeing old Delhi lanes. I feel like in Delhi, I don't just have connection with people,
Yeah.
but also with the roads, the imarat itne pyare, the building architecture, everything. It just inspires me. So I'm feeling amazing.
Fatima was the one dressed so nicely amongst all of us. We were not sweaty Delhi people, but she was like, I remember she was the most beautifully dressed girl. And what happened?
Then what happened?
What happened? She
What
stumbled.
happened? I fell down. It was not just like a stumble. I almost like rolled, and there was one girl who helped me get up and go to the interview one time, and that was you.
So there was no guy who could save Ritama, so it was me. So I came out to be
It's
the
always
savior.
my girlies. It's
And
always my girlies.
I offered water, and that's how we connected. So it just happened. So let's talk about what is it in Delhi that you like most. What is this interest कि तुम्हें दिल्ली के ऊपर ही काम करना है? ऐसा क्या है दिल्ली एज ए शहर में? ऐसा क्या है दिल्ली की स्पेसेस में, दरगाहों पे या फिर इनके शायर में कि तुमने पूरा यू आर ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, यू हैव बीन टू यूएस, कोलकाता, दिल्ली, यू हैव बीन टू नेपाल, श्रीलंका, वेयर नॉट, बट इट्स आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन आई सी योर पोस्ट यू आर टू मच इनटू दिल्ली. सो ऐसा दिल्ली में क्या है तो तुम्हें इतना लगाव है कि उनको बार बार दिल्ली खुद अपनी तरफ बुलाता है? सो व्हाट इज इट?
जैसे तुमने ये बात करी ना, दिल्ली खुद बुलाता है.
हाँ.
Like दिल्ली calls you. I think that is a very like appropriate expression to capture why Delhi. Because when I came to Delhi, I was like, I did not have a plan कि मुझे इस चीज पे काम करना है या मुझे दरगों पे. चलो सूफीज़्म पे broadly interest मेरा फॉर्म हो रहा था. We had conversations back then, 2020.
Of course.
But the way the space opens up here, for me at least, that has been fascinating because मैंने expect नहीं किया था कि मुझे यहाँ कुछ करना है. मैं किसी दरगाह पे चले, हम गए थे. In fact, साथ में we would go to a shrine, and then we would just meet people, and they just start telling you stories. You know, like they'll just tell you stories, and then you're like listening to people who you haven't met before, and you start feeling this connection. I remember the first time I went to Nizamuddin Auliya Shrine. It was with Afsha,
Yeah.
and it started raining, and we just took shelter there.
Yeah.
And I don't know how long we just stayed there talking.
there.
Talking to people and just standing. So the space opened up to me personally. That has been a case, and it's just been like that.
I think it was the time we realized that what city actually means, because we were there. It was a random day. We had no such intention to explore it. But I think when we were there in Nizamuddin Dargah as a city, because it has been a historical place in the history, और तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जब हम वहाँ बैठे थे तो वो जो हमने सिटी को एब्जॉर्ब किया है, फिर वो चाहे वहाँ की कव्वाली के थ्रू हो या फिर वहाँ का स्पेसेस हो या फिर वो क्राउड जो मुख्तलिफ जगहों से लोग आते हैं, या उनकी बातचीत में हो या उनका स्टोरी टेलिंग हो. तो आई थिंक एज एन इंडिविजुअल, एज टू ग्रोइंग अप वुमेन, आई थिंक वी वर ट्राइंग टू एब्जॉर्ब दिस सिटी. और वहाँ पे हमें लगा कि जितना हम दिल्ली को जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, दिल्ली भी हमें उतना जानने की कोशिश कर रही है.
Absolutely, yeah.
राइट. गलियों में भी इससे भी गुजरते हैं. हम बहुत बार पुरानी दिल्ली जा चुके हैं, एंड वी आर लाइक these two random women. We go through the lanes of पुरानी दिल्ली, मिर्जा गालिब की हवेली, ये हम जाम मस्जिद जाते हैं, यहाँ हम चितली कबर जाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो दिल्ली की गलियां हैं ना, उन्होंने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले किया है इन शेपिंग व्हाट वी आर टुडे एज रिसर्चर्स. क्योंकि दिल्ली की गलियां भी आपको इतना कुछ बता देती हैं, वो कूचे, वो मकान, वो गलियां, जो शायद आपको बेस्ट नोन एक्सपर्ट पीपल भी शायद आपको नहीं बता पाएंगे. आई हैव दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ. जब हम शहर की बात करते हैं, मेजरली मुझे लगता है यू हैव बीन sort of dwindling between three major cities now, which is Kolkata, Delhi and Providence. So one thing about each of the city that you would like to talk about, what is special? Something which is in Kolkata is not there in Delhi, something which is in Providence is not in Delhi. But वैसे क्या एक एक चीज है तीनों cities के शहरों के बारे में जहाँ आपको लगा है आपने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया?
Providence, I'd say सुकून, peace, quiet. कोलकाता, I'd say घर का comfort. And Delhi is romance. Delhi is excitement. Yeah. मोहब्बत in the sense like मोहब्बत तो थोड़ा काम हो गया ना. Delhi always excites me.
नहीं, कुछ इश्क किया, कुछ
काम किया. That is Delhi for me. I don't work out of comfort. I don't work out of कि काम सा माहौल है, I can write. No. Delhi excites me in ways like I need to write this right now kind of. That has been Delhi.
So I think कुछ इश्क किया, कुछ काम किया. Faiz साहब, right? I think it's very apt for both of us. Half of the day we were working and then half of the day we are just here.
Yeah.
So इश्क और काम दिल्ली में साथ साथ चलना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah.